Welcome guys back to our HTML class. So in today's video we are going to look at HTML font and paragraph. So to begin today's class, we are going to create a paragraph. Now this is a paragraph. So to begin today's class, the first thing we are going to do is talk about the font. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the font for small. You see small, let's say now small. What this small font tag does is that it makes whatever element that is inside this tag to become small. So let's go to our web page and fill the specification. As you can see that as you can see that the beginning bottom as compared to the rest of the text. Now that is the function of a small tag. So the next font we are going to look at now is the italics tag. Let's say that I want to italics the pineapple. Yes, I want to italics the pineapple. So the tag for that is I. Let's say I. So what this does is that it make the text to appear in a slant way. Maybe you want to like specify a specific part of your text to be specified in a slant way, to make it just to emphasize that okay, we are talking about an important thing in the paragraph. You can just indicate it with the italics font tag. So there's in HTML there are some tags that are different but have the same function. So just like the italics that makes the word to apply in a slant way, there's another tag for it that also does the same work. So this tag, let's say specification, is known as emphasize tag, which is denoted with EM. Let's say I want to make the specific ocean to appear the same way the italics that the pineapple is in a slant way. So we indicate the tag. Then let's go back to our web page. As you can see that the pineapple is slant and the specific ocean is also slant. So there's also another tag that had the same function, like the that's also similar with another tag, just like the italics and the emphasize, which is the bold tag. What the bold tag does is that it makes our work to be bold. Any element that is inside the bold tag will be bold. As you can see that the SpongeBob has been bold. Okay, there's also another tag for it that will do all the same work as the bold tag. We call it the strong tag. Although different tags, but do the same work as the bold tag. That's the same function as bold tag. As you can see, the square point is bold as well. So there's also another tag that I want to call your attention to. Is also an empty element tag. If you can remember in our first class, during our headings and paragraph, that I mentioned that there are some tags in HTML that has opening tag but does not contains a closing tag. That those tags are called empty element tag. So this tag is also an empty element tag, but the work is that it break. Maybe when your paragraph is too big or you want one particular aspect of the paragraph to start from another paragraph, and you don't want to declare a paragraph or go about declaring it, just use the break tag. The break tag will cut into two and start from another line. So this will be the end of our class for today. See you guys in the next class.